Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively MsMe. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. I share decorating and home organization tips. Now, if this is your kind of content, I would love for you to subscribe and become part of the family. And to my creative family, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now let's jump into this video. Now, as far as you know, my parents' house was hit by that ice storm that came to Texas, and pipes burst in their home and did a lot of damage, around almost $40,000 worth of damage. Well, needless to say, the insurance company denied their claim, so my siblings and I are hustling to get my parents' house together. Now, what I'm showing you today is the damage that was done. So if you're interested in this kind of content, you know what to do. Stick around. If you want to keep watching more, check out these videos I have listed here in the end screen, and you be blessed.